Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 6 of Jingle Lills. I hope you guys have been enjoying the series so far. As for your comments, I think you have. I try to answer back all your comments, at least say thank you or heart your comments. I've been doing good so far, but I am so excited for today's episode, you guys. I created these embellished envelopes for my Halloween series. You guys went crazy for them, so of course I wanted to make some for Christmas. And Ada, the paper treasury, you guys know my crafty BFF, she sent me Holly Jolly. And yeah, I wasn't gonna use it. I was gonna hoard it because it's the only set that I have, but I was telling her, what should I do? And she was like, just use it, girl, use it. So I'm doing what you said, Ada. I'm using it, and I've made these for you guys, and I'm so excited. The only issue that I had was that I couldn't find some really good ephemera pieces to create these. So I did go into my stash and use a couple of pieces that weren't from here, and I still think it looks totally good. You guys already know I added my little snow pen to this because I've been obsessed lately. I just have to learn how to control this tool a little bit better because it did burn my rosette a little bit here, but I ended up adding a little bit of snow. You can't really see it, but it's fine. We're gonna get through it and we're gonna try to figure it out. Maybe it's just I'm holding it too close, but I love the way it turned out. They all look so cute. So the winner of this day will win all 3 embellished envelopes, and you guys already know what to do to enter the giveaway. Leave a comment down below saying enter me, and let me show you guys what I did. So they each have, just one of them doesn't have stitching because I totally forgot to stitch around it. So 2 of them are stitched all the way through. They all 3 have little sequence mixes on the top, and I have a tassel and a charm on all of the envelopes. And look, you guys, I added some snowflakes from Snow and Cocoa. The little stars are from this kit. I put a little gold ball on his hand, like a little snowball, a little resin candy. I love the way they turned out, you guys. I am going to be putting my label on the back. And then here is the next one. I did rosettes on them. How cute is this little resin piece that I found in my stash? Super cute. This little heart right here, Alicia sent it to me in some holy mail. Look at that. Cute little charms, the little sequence mixes. Alicia sent me the sequence mix as well. Little sticky here that says nice, a little gemmy. I love that the paper is double-sided so you guys can see like the back and then the inside, which looks super cool. I did some snow underneath the Mary. You guys, these are so adorable, and I am going to be packaging them up in super cute packaging as I've been doing with all the prizes. Look, you guys, I added snow to the tree, another little resin piece, added a cute little gold ball to the little Nutcracker's hat. I love it. I love the way they turned out. They are super cute, and when I package them up, I am going to be putting them in these little pouches. I'm going to add some crinkle paper, and I'm going to stitch it up. And yeah, you guys, that is the prize for today, day 6. Thank you guys for rocking with me till now and constantly showing so much love and support to my Christmas series. You guys make it amazing. You guys make it worth it, and you guys make me want to keep doing this and going crazy every single day that I have to upload so much stuff, but you guys are worth it. So if you guys want to check out my other series over on my Patreon, link is down below. I'm doing 12 days of Christmas cards over there. But that is it for this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on day 7. Bye, guys.